She was in the car. She didn't.
With my Dr. Leva father, the mayor of Saddle River. He's called Mayor Purpose now.
It's the...
That's my Louis Vuitton $500 key. I take the test and he wouldn't let me.
Hello.
Hi, I just heard your colleague again. She is pissed drunk. You need to breathalyze her. She's in her car right now. Before she goes, you need to breathalyze her.
I'm going right now.
Swinging each way as she walked into that car.
Alright.
That is a fucking issue.
Hi, I'm sorry.
Have you been drinking tonight?
I had one glass of wine.
Somebody just stated that you may be drinking. You were swerving. Do you have your license on you? Thank you.
I'm fine, honestly. Got in a fight with my boyfriend. I just want to go home.
Well, what's going on? What happened with your boyfriend?
We were supposed to be engaged, and she's been cheating on me with his first girlfriend from like 5 years ago. Honestly, like right now I'm trying to, like, my cousin lives on, and I'll keep my car here and I'll just go to.
Hold on a second, huh?
This has literally been the worst day of my life.
MC14.
Can I just walk there,
Just hold on a second. Just hold on a second, okay?
Repeat that or
Can I just get my purse?
respond to
Just-
1320.
You can sit down, just shut the vehicle off, and put the key in the top.
What have I done?
Can you just do me a favor and do that for me, please? Thank you.
Did I park in the wrong spot?
So, let me explain to you.
I know this is like
Let me
what
ju-
I thought.
Okay, let me just explain to you what happened. So we got a phone call that your car was blocking the driveway.
But the driveway's right here.
Yes, I know, I understand that. But your bumper is overlapping the line of the driveway. Okay? So that's why I got to come in, okay? Then, when I got here, the caller...
She's pissed drunk.
Do I seem pissed drunk? No.
You don't, but I have someone...
I'm very upset.
I have somebody coming that's field sobriety that would know, so I have to just double check before I let you leave.
Hi, officer. I'm just trying to leave. I'm so sorry. I parked in this. I thought right here is like the garage. Like, I'm so sorry.
Right now you can't leave, alright? You have to stay here for now.
Just hold on a second, all right? We're situated in a second, all right?
What? For what? I'm gonna call my mom. My family lives here. As long as you're not blocking the driveway, you're fine. Right?
Let me just give you this.
Mom,
Yeah.
I'm
I know
here
this a block. I know
because
I'm here for.
police officer. I'm in Hoboken.
The bumper is
I'm
hanging
not
over the
blocking
line.
driveway.
And then the person that calls also said she's pissed drunk and she just got in the car.
Okay.
So we just,
Can
mean,
you please come
she was
here
in the car,
now
she didn't.
with my Dr. Leva
didn't
father,
drive it.
the mayor of Saddle River. My parents are coming, but like I said, driveway clear. I have done nothing wrong.
So
Was she in the...
Apparently my car,
obviously the vehicle.
I can take a
She
picture,
had the
was
car on. The
blocking.
car wasn't moving. She got out the car and said, I'm gonna go home. I'll walk
Yeah,
home.
because my boyfriend cheated
Where's
on me.
home?
I'm sorry.
She didn't say it,
My
but she said
parents are on
someone
the
lives on.
Mom,
So they're gonna perform a
I'm
test.
Brittany.
So for now.
음주 측정 자격증을 가지고 있는 경찰이 그녀에게 자신이 왜 여기에 왔는지와 함께 앞으로 진행될 상황에 대해 자세히 설명해 줍니다.
I understand, but I don't understand why. Because I'm not even in the garage, like, parking. What the-
car was on according to the officer that was here. So I just have to do a series of tests. If you pass a series of tests, then you could be on your way.
My father's a doctor. He's gonna be coming.
That's perfectly fine. I just need to do a series of tests based off of the observations that
my mom and dad said I don't have to. There's no reason why I should.
I mean, you can deny it. It's up to you.
I deny it.
So you're not going to conduct the field sobriety test? You understand that
Please put Dad on the phone.
you understand that if you do decline the test, we have to go off of our observations and statements that you didn't that you were consuming alcohol.
Dad, they're trying because my car, I'll send you a picture, is blocking a little bit, not even the garage, and they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cops here. Yeah, trying to say, I don't know.
What's your father's name, sir? Can you hear me?
Dr. Leva.
Dr. Leva saying that I got
그렇게 또 경찰관은 이번엔 그녀의 아버지에게 자신이 왜 여기에 왔는지 설명을 합니다.
your daughter was in the vehicle and it was on. It is properly parked. It's slightly in the driveway a little bit, but nothing out of this ordinary world. But due to the initial officer, she admitted to drinking today while the vehicle was on, which is why I'm literally...
Vehicle was not on because it's a fog.
Does that mean that she was driving it?
So when the vehicle's on, it's technically being operated technically through like the state law. So I just have to do a series of tests. If she doesn't want to, that's perfectly fine. She has her own right to do so.
How do I know you don't just like make me?
But I'm just explaining everything.
I want my lawyer.
It's parked properly, but it's partially in the driveway, which was
lawyer.
the initial call in the first place. I was not the initial
I want
officer
my
on
lawyer.
scene. I only got requested here because I'm a certified field
Right
sobriety
now,
officer.
I want my lawyer.
Again, I was not the initial officer on scene.
I want my lawyer.
But I do want to explain everything because then it's going to go based off of the initial officer that was on scene's observations on how we proceed forward.
Well, she decides not to. I mean, she wasn't driving.
I got out of the car crying because my boyfriend cheated.
Okay, I can't.
What is going on? I just want to leave and go to my family's house. I request my lawyer.
Okay, that's fine.
If she refuses to do the test, you're going to arrest her?
It would be based off of the initial officer's observation. It wouldn't bust her the
I wanna call my
observations that he
lawyer.
observed for me to even respond to this location.
I was crying in the car. The car was not on.
Your father wants to speak with you.
Dad, I was crying in the car. The car was not on. I want to call. Alright, I'm gonna call Adam. Are you gonna tow the car because it's?
We wouldn't tow the car because it's
legally parked.
Like I said, I'm not. That's not what I came here for.
I don't understand this.
I explained and I
My
explained to your
parents
father.
are gonna come pick me up. I refuse any test. I'm calling my lawyer. This
So
is not
she's refusing
okay.
the test. How do you guys want to proceed forward from here?
I'm calling my lawyer. Here, excuse me, my father, Mayor. Here.
I already spoke to your father, and I've been respectful.
Can I speak to the officer again, please?
Go ahead, sir.
Are you towing the car?
No, the car is legally parked right now. Like I said,
I can go pick up the car, correct?
if you want to pick up the car, that's perfectly fine.
Okay, I'm going to come down and pick up the car.
Okay. Do you have the location of
Please
where the
call
car is?
Mayor Purpose
where is
now.
All right.
Who's that?
The father. Her father.
Dr. Leva.
Okay.
He's on the mayor and Senator.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. This is like I don't understand what's going on.
Well, you have to understand, man, is that
No, I don't.
I'm trying to explain to you.
He's the boss.
You're in a vehicle, right? The vehicle is on. You're in the driver's seat. That is operation of a motor vehicle. By law, that's operation. So
My car is not on.
it doesn't even have to be on. If you're in the driver's seat of that vehicle, that is operation. Once you enter the vehicle, you're operating that vehicle. Now, you admitted that you were drinking earlier to the officer, okay? So now, based off that, she's requesting an officer to come and do field sobriety test for you. If you
So I thought I was
listen,
drinking at 12 a.m. yesterday. I'm in the medical field. My family has 5 generations.
So you haven't had a drink today. You said you drank last night.
Yes.
So why would you say you drank earlier?
Did I? I said I was at City Bistro. I said I got into a fight with my boyfriend.
You also said that.
Right? I just wanted to, I said, let me
Okay.
go to...
But you have to, okay, so this is what I'm getting at. You admitted that you were having drinks, right? He was requesting a field sobriety officer to come and conduct testimony. If you refuse it, which you can, you refuse the test, but now you have to go based off our observations. Your admission to drinking, your slurred speech,
What?
your appearance,
But
your,
how is
your
what
unsteadiness. It's not good for you if you don't do.
Excuse me, there's cameras here.
Our body cameras are active.
I know my rights.
And you are within your rights to refuse. But like I said, then we have to go off our observations. So we're gonna ask you one more time. Are you willing to?
I need to speak to my lawyer.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna ask you. Are you willing to conduct the field sobriety test with this officer? Say yes or no. Ma'am. Hello. Ma'am.
I'm sorry.
All right. I'm asking you a question. Are you going to be willing to conduct the
Miss,
test?
it's not calling. I can see it from right here.
Sorry.
But can you just answer my supervisor's question, please? You can say yes or no.
No.
Okay.
No? Okay.
All right, so Joe, it's going to be 1025. It's bring her up, and that's it.
Can you please turn around for me? You could put your phone. We'll be able to.
Can I please just speak to my lawyer?
We gave you plenty of opportunities.
No, you didn't. She even said you weren't.
Miss, you gotta turn around and put.
Yeah,
Can
Miss,
you
Gabby,
please,
please.
please put your phone?
Again, on your back, all right?
Hello?
Mom, they're arresting me.
Ma'am, you got to...
I don't know.
Ma'am,
Please stop hurting me.
We're not hurting you.
stop resisting. Just relax.
Why are you arresting her?
Why? Why?
Just breathe.
Why? What am I being arrested for?
Alcohol intoxicated.
Mom? Mom? No, I didn't refuse. No, I didn't.
I don't even know.
Come on, ma'am.
I didn't refuse. Just let me do the sobriety
We're
test.
past that point already.
Come on.
You gotta go inside.
Come on, ma'am, inside.
Please stop resisting and please sit into the vehicle.
그녀는 음주운전 혐의로 체포되어 경찰서로 이송되었습니다.
I did nothing wrong.
They got the key.
Yeah, they got it, yeah.
That's my Louis Vuitton $500 key. I'm dead. Please explain to me why.
You have been placed under arrest for DWI, miss. I will explain everything and walk you through the process to try to make this as easy as possible.
My parents said, leave the door there, they're coming. I don't understand what the is going on. This abuse.
I'll explain it to you in person.
Actually abuse.
If you feel that way again, you'll have my information and you can sign a complaint.
I'll take the test and you wouldn't let me.
That's actually false. We asked you several
I said,
times.
let me take the test.
Okay.
So not right. This is not right. I asked to do the test.
I'm gonna have to.
하지만 그곳에서도 음주 측정 검사에 응하지 않았습니다. 그녀는 뉴저지의 존스법에 따라 보호자 인계로 석방되었습니다. 여기서 존스법이 뭔지 궁금해 좀 찾아봤습니다. 2000년 7월 22일 뉴저지에 거주하던 마이클 팽글은 음주운전을 하다 사고를 냈고 이 사고로 미 해군사관학교를 갓 졸업한 22살 해군 장교 존 엘리엇 씨가 안타깝게 목숨을 잃었습니다. 이 사건이 더욱 큰 주목을 받은 이유는 음주운전자 마이클이 사고가 나기 불과 3시간 전에 이미 음주운전으로 체포되었다가 석방된 상태였기 때문입니다. 그는 여전히 술에 취한 채 다시 차를 몰아 결국 사고를 일으켰습니다. 이 일을 계기로 존의 부모님은 법 제정을 강력히 추진했고 그 결과 2001년 뉴저지의 존스법이 제정되었습니다. 이 법은 음주운전으로 체포된 사람의 차량을 최소 12시간 동안 경찰이 압류하도록 하여 운전자가 술이 깬 뒤에만 차량에 접근할 수 있게 함으로써 재범을 방지하는 것이 목표입니다. 또한 체포된 사람은 책임을 질 수 있는 보호자에게 인계되어야만 석방될 수 있으며 보호자는 운전자가 다시 음주 상태로 운전하지 않도록 책임을 집니다. 체포된 사람이 차량 소유자가 아닐 경우 견인과 보관 비용은 실제 차량 소유자가 부담하게 됩니다. 존스법은 단순한 처벌을 넘어 술에 취한 상태에서 반복 운전하는 위험한 행동을 예방하고 도로 위 모두 안전을 지키는 데 큰 역할을 하고 있습니다. 한국은 2023년 법 개정으로 상습 음주운전자의 차량을 압수할 수 있게 되었습니다. 2024년 10월 25일에 시행된 법으로 음주운전을 한 날로부터 5년 안에 다시 음주운전으로 면허가 취소되면 조건부 운전면허 제도가 적용됩니다. 이 제도는 음주운전 방지 장치를 차량에 설치한 경우에만 면허 재취득을 허용하게 하는데 이 장치는 운전자의 호흡을 측정해 알코올이 감지되지 않을 때만 시동에 걸리게 합니다. 기기값과 설치 비용은 250만원에서 300만원 정도고 비용은 운전자가 전액 부담해야 된다고 합니다.